2009 Chevy Suburban, 5.3 automatic, four-wheel drive. Customer complained they have a noise when you're going over bumps, and when it comes to suspension, there are so many things that it can be making noise, so it might be a little bit challenging to find, but always stick to the basics. Couple things to always check. Make sure, first things first, you very notorious connector links, sway bar connector links go bad. Like you see, we're missing a bush in here. It should be one like this here on top, and this one on the top you can see already deteriorated. Okay, so always stick to the basic when it comes to suspension noise. And also the next thing will be the caliper. Make sure they are nice and tight and mount. The brake pads are placed correct.